Hello friends, welcome to the new video, the pivot range trend analysis. In this video, we have to know the trend with using of the pivot range, that is the CPR. At some point of your trading, you have probably heard someone throw out that buy the dip and sell the rip many times. It is the first bit of strong advice offered by the professionals, but remains vague enough to perplex amateur traders. Buying the dips means buying the pullbacks within an uptrend, while selling the rips means selling or shorting the rallies within a downtrend. While this sounds like great advice, how do I use this great knowledge? How does a trader know when a dip or rip is ripe for action? आप कब बाय करोगे? डीप में बाय करना और रिप में सेल करना ये सभी बोलते हैं, लेकिन आप कब डीप में बाय करोगे और रिप में सेल करोगे ये कैसे पता करोगे? लेट्स we have to know that. Okay, in trading there were many ways to capture a move. As such, there are many ways of capturing a buying and selling the wedge of a trend. In my opinion, one of the best ways to buy and sell pullbacks in a trend is to play the bounce of the central pivot range, that is the CPR, which is the method many professionals use. अब कब बाय करोगे सेल करोगे इसके बारे में the best way is the CPR, that is when the price जब CPR को आता है तो बाउंस बैक करता है. We will know detail about this. As you of now know, the centrals can be one of the best source of support and resistance in the market. Due to this fact, they can control the tide of a trend as good as any tools on the market, since each day's pivot range serves as support or resistance whistle in a trend. CPR क्या करता है? सपोर्ट. अभी तक आपको पता है कि CPR सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस का काम करता है. एंड CPR, अब how it is take support and resistance, and now we have to analyze how it is work as a trend analysis. Playing the bounces of the central pivot range in the direction of a prevailing trend is a prudent course of action. ये हम कैसे ट्रेंड एनालिसिस करेंगे, कैसे पिवट रेंज दैट इज CPR कैसे ट्रेंड को दिखाता है, हम अगले चार्ट पे देखेंगे. लेट्स गो फॉर द चार्ट. This is the Nifty chart of 30-minute time frame. I will take 30 minutes for for showing to how the trend is going on. Okay, in this, notice how the centrals remain beneath an uptrend to serve as support on the way up, while remaining above a downtrend serving as resistance on the way down. Essentially, each pullback to the pivot range is a buying opportunity. See here, here is pullback to the CPR. This is an uptrend. You see, this is an uptrend, and in uptrend, when it is pullback to the CPR, this is the CPR. See, this is the CPR. Okay, this is the central CPR, this is top CPR, this is bottom CPR. When it is pullback to the CPR, okay, this is buying opportunity. See here also is pullback to the CPR, then you have to buy opportunity here. And in this is the 8th December 2020, when it is come to the CPR, it is bounce back, okay, to up. This is a gap up opening, get it? And in this area, this is a consolidation period, you see, okay, this area. Okay. Then how to identify the trend? Here is the trend, okay. The trend, remember the 2-day pivot range relationship we discussed earlier videos, like higher and lower value relationship. When these two relationships develop, the goal is to play the bounce in the direction of the trend. If the period days close was above its pivot range, the market will likely carry a bullish bias. See here, period days close. Here the period days close and today's opening is up here. The period days close also above the CPR. Previous day का close CPR के above रहता है, then the next day का chance रहता है कि वो up जाएगा. नेक्स्ट डे में ये CPR के above खुला and it is uptrend. See here, it is close above the CPR, it is also close above the CPR, it is also close above the CPR. ये सब CPR के ऊपर ही close दे रहा है, तो it is a uptrend sign, okay. But it is in this, it is close below the CPR, so, and the next day it is close above the CPR, so it is a consolidation period. The trend, now the trend is not sure here, because someday it is closing below the CPR, someday it is closing above the CPR. It is closing below the CPR, it is closing above the CPR. It is not confirm the trend, it is consolidation. When continuously 2 days CPR giving closing above the CPR, then it is confirmed that it is a trend, means it is closing above the CPR, it is a uptrend, okay. If the period days close was above the pivot range, the market will likely carry a bullish bias, okay. See here, on the flip side, a market will likely carry a bias if the period day close was below the pivot range. The behavior is exactly the same when discussing trends, only we are stringing together many days of pivots instead of just looking at 2 sessions. Let's go for one downtrend. Here, for downtrend we have to move. In this you can also analysis for uptrend. I am changing this to step. This is a circle, in the CPR it is circle, I am changing it to the step, then you understand better. Step line, okay, and bottom CPR also step line. See how it is. I think you better understand for this. This is the uptrend sign. This is the CPR, it is close to CPR and bounce back. This is below the CPR but bounce back, okay. This is come to the CPR and bounce back, come to the CPR, bounce back to this is a uptrend, and the closing also, the previous day closing also above the CPR. See here, closing above the CPR, closing above the CPR, closing above the CPR here, and in this day closing above the CPR. Okay, this is an uptrend sign. Okay, and when it is come back to the CPR, means when it is come back to this is the deep, come back to the CPR, when it is deep then it is a buy symbol. Okay, then it is bounce back. That is why it is called when buy on dip and sell on rip. Rip means when sell this should be a downtrend, and when buy this should be a uptrend. Okay, let's go for the downtrend analysis. It is uptrend analysis, downtrend analysis. We have to do how to identify the downtrend. Also, how to identify the change in the trend. Okay, when the trend is changed, how to identify? We have to see in this chart. See, this is the Nifty chart of 30 minute. This is 21st September and this is 17th September. See here, in this you can see that here when the price come to the CPR, this is CPR and it is back. It is the starting of the downtrend. Okay, then we have not to analysis for the this day, we have to analysis of 2 days. See here, this and this is the closing is below the CPR. Here close, the CPR is here and the closing is here. In this the CPR is here, the closing is here. It is confirmed that the downtrend starts. Okay, and in this downtrend, when it is pull back to the CPR, then you will be sell. That is here in this, see, this is come back to the CPR. This is the starting also. This is come to CPR and your sell order is here and your this is and your when should be to the CPR and it will be your sell order, means when there is a rip, your sell order will be executed in the downtrend. Okay, one thing you remember, if price successfully uses the central as support during the first 2 days, any pullback to the CPR during the uptrend should be become a buying opportunity, otherwise known as buying the dip. मीन्स जब CPR के अपट्रेंड में, जब CPR के जो मैं ऑलरेडी बोल चुका हूं, अपट्रेंड में जो CPR के नजदीक आ जाएगा और CPR के आसपास आ जाएगा, तो उस टाइम बाइंग द डीप अपॉर्चुनिटी आता है. एंड इन डाउन ट्रेंड also the reverse, when it is in a strong trend can usually be gauged by how price remains above the bottom central BC. डाउन ट्रेंड में कैसे हम करेंगे? जब रिप में सेल करेंगे, जब प्राइस CPR के आसपास आ जाएगा और CPR के पास आएगा तब हम सेल करेंगे. Another thing we remember, a strong trend can usually be gauged by how price remains above the bottom central BC. means uptrend में BC से bottom central से ऊपर होना चाहिए, and in downtrend top TC से नीचे होना चाहिए. This means while in uptrend and in below the top central while in downtrend. जब downtrend में क्या होना चाहिए? ये डाउन ट्रेंड में ये जो टॉप इसके नीचे होना, ये टॉप CPR, ये टॉप, ये सेंट्रल CPR, ये बॉटम CPR, इसके नीचे होना चाहिए डाउन ट्रेंड में, तब ट्रेंड कंफर्म होता है. हियर कंफर्म द डाउन ट्रेंड. सी, it is confirmed the downtrend. It is and close also below the CPR. It is close below the CPR. Okay. Then here trend is change. How you confirm? The closing is above the CPR. Here the closing is above the CPR, and we will to see 2 days, not we have to confirm only 1 day. एक दिन में हम confirm नहीं कर सकते, हम 2 दिन का चेक करेंगे ये CPR के ऊपर बंद हो रहा है कि नहीं। डाउन ट्रेंड में ऐसे हम 2 दिन चेक करेंगे ये CPR के, ये डाउन ट्रेंड में है तो हम अप ट्रेंड का चेक करेंगे ये CPR के ऊपर 2 दिन बंद हो रहा है कि नहीं। ये फर्स्ट डे बंद हो गया, सेकेंड डे भी ये CPR के ऊपर बंद हुआ है, इट इज कंफर्म दैट इट इज द अप ट्रेंड इज स्टार्ट। See here is uptrend, up, okay, trend is up. This is the tricks how to identify the trend and how to identify the trend change, and when it will be downtrend and when it will be uptrend. It is good for the, this analysis is good for the swing trading. If you are doing any swing trend, this is a good analysis for do your swing trading. And also in day trade you have to buy on the dip and sell on the rip. You remember this thing. Okay, thank you guys, bye for this. We will come for the next video with a next strategy in the CPR. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and motivate me to make like these videos, and I will motivate, then I will more such like videos with you. Thank you guys, bye.